Hi, my name is Shannon Lee. I work here at Platform Aerospace and I am the Engineering Technician 1 and the 3D Printing Technician, and today we're going to be talking about PPE equipment. Here at Platform Aerospace, we are an aerospace engineering and manufacturing company specializing in rapid prototyping and rapid turnaround work, and we have many fabricators and engineers in-house who have all provided different strengths in our rapid prototyping and rapid design turnaround. With that being said, during the COVID-19 pandemic, we wanted to use our strengths to create and provide personal protective equipment to those on the front line who need it most. So we reached out to the state of Maryland and we received a manufacturing grant, which helped us get this big baby behind me, which is the Big Rep 1, which will help us produce rapidly the materials we need to assemble PPE equipment to give out to first responders, hospitals, people on the front lines, or anybody in need. So right now we're in production of personal protective equipment face shield bands, and that is actually what's printing behind me. And then in tandem, we'll also be providing KN95 respirator masks that have a valve on the front that has a replaceable N95 filter system in the front. One of the main reasons we like this machine is because it gives us the ability to do tandem printing, which basically gives us double the amount of product in the same time it would take to print one build of product. Another set of key features that I really like about this machine is we get to change things on the fly. So I can remove filament, add filament, change filament at any point in time, pause, resume. I can change feeds and speeds. I can change temperatures. We can change nozzle heights and layer heights. It's a live printing experience, and in a rapid prototyping and processing facility like we have, that's a key feature to have. Now that we have this ramped up, I'm really excited that our facilities have expanded to be able to produce at this capacity, and especially produce things for all of these people on the front lines. And in the end, Platform Aerospace really just wants to do their part, and I'm really excited that I get to be a part of it.